Have you noticed how your body changes in different situations? Sometimes you feel open and present, sometimes tense and ready to move, and sometimes flat or disconnected. These shifts are not random. They're part of a built-in biological system that has kept humans alive for thousands of years. This system is called the autonomic nervous system. It works automatically, outside of conscious control, and it has three main operating modes. You can think of them like a traffic light: green for social engagement and connection, yellow for mobilization into fight or flight, and red for immobilization or shutdown. Knowing about these states is useful because it helps you make sense of what's happening in your body and mind in the moment. Instead of thinking only about how you feel, you can start to notice which light you're in and why. Before we go into these three lights, there's something important to understand. Your nervous system is constantly scanning for cues of safety and danger. We call this neuroception, your body's built-in security system, reading your environment, the people you're with, and even your own body's signals. It's picking up things like facial expressions, tone of voice, body posture, sudden noises, or changes in your heart rate or breath. Based on those cues, it decides in a split second whether to keep you in green, move you into yellow, or take you down to red. Let's start with green light, the ventral vagal state. This is the social engagement system, our newest evolutionary pathway, and it's about 200 million years old. Here, the branch of the vagus nerve that connects your brain to your heart, lungs, face, and voice supports connection and creativity. Your heart rate is steady, your breathing is full and even, your facial muscles are relaxed, and your voice carries warmth and variation. From the inside, green feels like being grounded, curious, and able to engage. You can take in the bigger picture, read social cues, and access creativity and problem solving. Everyday examples might be enjoying conversation, laughing with a friend, or working calmly on a project. When your neuroception picks up cues of possible danger, your system shifts into yellow light, the sympathetic mobilization state. This is your fight or flight circuitry, which developed about 400 million years ago. The sympathetic branch of the nervous system releases adrenaline and cortisol. Heart rate and breathing speed up, muscle tense, blood flows through your arms and legs so you can run or defend yourself. Your senses sharpen, but your focus narrows to what feels important for survival. Internally, you may feel restless, agitated, or irritable. Thoughts might speed up and jump, or worst-case scenarios. Everyday examples could be reacting to a sudden loud noise, feeling tense during an argument, or driving in stressful traffic. Mobilization is not bad. It's an adaptive response designed to protect you. But staying here too long can drain your energy, make it harder to connect, and over time even lead to dis-ease or disease. If your neuroception reads the situation as overwhelming or inescapable, your system can drop into red light, the dorsal vagal immobilization state. This is one of our oldest survival responses. This system developed about 500 million years ago. Here, the older branch of the vagus nerve slows heart rate, breathing, reduces muscle tone, and conserves energy. In nature, this is like animal playing dead. For humans, it could feel like numbness, disconnection, or heaviness. You might feel far away from what's happening, your thoughts blank or foggy, and actions hard to initiate. You may notice this after prolonged stress, extreme overwhelm, or when something feels too much to manage. Immobilization can be protective, but it can also make it difficult to re-engage without gentle steps. It's important to know immobilization is not always negative. In safety, the same circuits give us immobilization without fear. The stillness of being held, resting deeply, bonding, or quietly enjoying another's company. These three states, connection, mobilization, and immobilization, are all normal parts of being human. They are adaptive strategies your body uses to respond to the world. You move between them many times each day. The goal is not to stay in green forever, but to notice your shifts and have ways to guide yourself between states. If you're in yellow, movement can help. Walking, stretching, shaking your arms, or slowing your breath with a longer exhale. If you're in red, the way back is gentle activation, feeling your feet on the ground, holding something warm, or taking small steps. Over time, this awareness becomes a map of your own biology, helping you navigate more easily, spend more time connected and engaged, and find your way back when life pulls you away.